Philips Norelc Multi-Groomer All-in-One Trimmer Series 3000, 13-piece men's grooming kit, for beard, face, nose, and ear hair trimmer and hair clipper. No blade oil needed. MG 3750 60ths. About this item: 13 attachments for all of your grooming needs. Full-size steel trimmer, a steel precision trimmer, a nose and ear hair trimmer. Three hair trimming guards. 3 beard trimming guards. A stubble guard, an accessory travel storage bag, and a cleaning brush. Unlike competition, no oil needed to maintain high-quality performance. Blades and guards are easy to detach and rinse. Maximum precision with DualCut technology, which includes 2x more self-sharpening blades. The steel blades sharpen themselves as they work, resulting in blades that remain as sharp as day one after 2 years of use. Unlike competition, no oil needed to maintain high-quality performance. Automatic voltage. 100 to 240 volts. Blades and guards are easy to detach and rinse, for hair type, all hair types. The blade is made out of metal. The MG3750 is the model number indicated on the packaging. It is part of the Multi-Groom 3000 series. If you want to buy this product, clicks on the down link. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button.